friends, my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to teach tens to a young child. Once a child can count up to 10 numbers, now it is a time to move him ahead. Before starting the concept, make sure the child can recognize numbers and their symbols up to 10. He has the ability to associate the quantity to the symbol. Also, he should understand the concept of units and tens. For this, refer my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. For teaching the concept, you need 45 10 bars and 10 bows. It takes very little effort to make them at home. To know how to make them, please refer to my video how to make 10 bar, 100 square and short bead stairs and how to make 10 and 10 bows. You can find the link in the description box. Let's start learning the tens. We will do it in steps. The first step, introduction to the quantity. Second step, introduction to symbols with 10 boards. Third step, association of quantity with symbol. Repeat each step until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the step does not mean that you have to repeat the step continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. In this step, I am going to show a child that 2 tens is 20, 3 tens is 30 and so on using 45 tens bar. Ayash, today we are going to learn tens. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. I have some bead bars. Do you remember what is this?
1 10 bar.
Yes, 1 10. 1 10
1 10.
or we can say 10.
10.
1 10,
1 10.
2
2
tens.
10.
1
1
2.
2
2 tens
2 10.
or we can say 20.
20.
Five tens or we can say 50. This is 10.
10.
This is 20.
20.
This is 30.
This is 30.
This is 40.
This is 40.
This is 50.
This is 50.
First start with 5 tens numbers 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. But if your child gets tired or uninterested, you can stop in between. Conduct a 3-period lesson. To know what is 3-period lesson, please refer my previous video. The link is given in the description box. This is 10.
10.
This is 20.
20.
This is 30.
30.
This is 40.
40.
This is
50.
50. Ayan, show me 50. Good. Show me 20. Good job. Now, what is this, Ayansh?
10.
What is this, Ayansh?
50.
What is this, Ayansh?
20.
Very nice. High five. Repeat the step again and again until the child gets the concept. Repeat the above procedure for 60, 70, 80 and 90. When the child is ready, reinforce along with the previous number. Involve the child by asking questions such as what comes next? Can you count along with me? and so on. In this step, we introduce the tens symbol. For this, we use 10 board. Make the child familiar with the board. Introduce first 5 numbers written on the slot to the child. Conduct a 3-period lesson. When the child knows 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, repeat the procedure for higher numbers 60, 70, 80 and 90. Reinforce along with the previous numbers. And this is 10 board.
10 board.
Do you remember what is this number?
10.
Yes, this is
10.
10. This is 2 tens
10.
are 20.
20.
This is 3 tens are 30. This is 10.
10.
This is 20.
20.
This is 50.
This is 50.
Good. Conduct a 3-period lesson. This is 10.
10.
This is 20.
20.
This is 50.
This is 50.
Good. Ayan, show me 30. Show me 50. Show me 10. Good job, Ayansh. What is this number, Ayansh?
30.
What is this number, Ayansh?
10.
What is this number, Ayansh?
40.
What is this number?
50.
Good. Continue introducing symbols and reviewing old ones. Check the child's knowledge of the symbols. No need to give a lesson if the child already knows the symbol. Proceed to associate quantity when the child is ready. This is the stage where we combine and mix the quantities and number symbols. Ayash, do you remember what is this?
10 board.
Yes, 10 board. I have some bead bars. This is 10.
10.
110.
110.
This is 10.
This is 10.
This is 10.
This is
2 tens, or we can say 20.
20.
This is 20. 110.
110.
210. 1, 2. This is 20. Five tens are 50. This is 50. This is 50. This is
11.
no. This is 10.
This is 10.
This is 10. This is
12.
20.
20.
This is 20. This is
30.
30.
This
This is
30. This is 40. This is 40. This is 50. This is 50.
very good. High five. Try to have the child do most of the work. To reinforce, mix up the 10 bars and ask the child to reorder. This step-by-step approach helps to develop a true understanding of how these numbers are formed from tens and units and thus teaches the foundation of our decimal system. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe and press the bell icon. For more informative videos, blogs and customized expert support for your child, please visit my website boostyourbrain.com.